Let's be school ready with teacher Ray. Count and spell. 1 to 10. 1. 1 spells O-N-E. Let's spell it one more time. O-N-E. 1. 2. Let's count. 1, 2. 2 spells T-W-O. Let's spell it one more time. T-W-O. 2. 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 spells T H R E E. Let's spell it one more time. T H R E E. 3. 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spells F O U R. Let's spell it one more time. F O U R. 4. 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spells F I V E. Let's spell it one more time. F I V E. 5. 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 spells S I X. Let's spell it again. S I X. 6. 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 7 spells S E V E N. Let's spell it again. S E V E N. 7. 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 8 spells E I G H T. Let's spell it again. E I G H T. 8. 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 spells N I N E. Let's spell it again. N I N E. 9. 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 spells T E N. Let's spell it again. T E N. 10. Let's practice. Let's spell 1. O N E. You're right. Let's spell 2. T W O. That's correct. Let's spell 3. T H R E E. That's right. Let's spell 4. F O U R. Very good. Let's spell 5. F I V E. That's right. Let's spell 6. S I X. That's correct. Let's spell 7. S E V E N. That's correct. Let's spell 8. E I G H T. That's right. Let's spell 9. N I N E. That's correct. Let's spell 10. T E N. That's correct. That's awesome! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching!